So you're thinking about buying a Mac Mini and running OpenClaw as your fully autonomous AI agent, kind of like Iron Man's Jarvis. The promise sounds incredible. So I went down the rabbit hole to discover what it could mean. If that's interesting to you, welcome back to the Dream Support Podcast. My name's Micah, and I'm the co-owner and co-founder of Dream Support along with my wife. We provide high quality and fractional remote EAs to busy leaders across the US. So if that's particular interest to you, great, stick around. I know many of you are curious about how you might capture or wield the power of agentic AI. That is AI that can do things on your behalf autonomously. Well, over the past couple of weeks, there's been a lot of chatter about something called OpenClaw, and I want to give you some helpful information about the technology. So there's a major development in the AI agent space that you need to know about. OpenAI, the people who own ChatGPT, just hired the creator of OpenClaw. Now, that's not a small move. It likely means that OpenAI plans to integrate agent style functionality directly into their platform beyond their agent function that they currently have, probably inside their paid tiers in the near future. So let's zoom out for a second. OpenClaw and similar tools are AI agents, not just AI that talks, but AI that acts. They can click buttons, move data, log into accounts, and execute workflows. For busy leaders, that sounds incredibly powerful. And it is. Agents can be great at repetitive tasks with clear rules, moving data between platforms, executing structured checklists, drafting templates, handling low risk automations. But here's what most people are not thinking about. For an agent to act on your behalf, it needs access, email, browser sessions, documents, calendars, sometimes even file systems. In an open ecosystems, many of these capabilities rely on third-party skills, plugins, and community-built add-ons. That is where risk shows up. There have already been reports of malicious or poorly vetted skills inside open agent marketplaces. That does not mean that the core technology is bad. It means the ecosystem is still immature. Now, this is why the OpenAI hiring matters. If OpenAI integrates agent functionality directly into its platform, again, beyond what it currently has, it will almost certainly include stronger security protocols, controls, tighter permission management, monitoring, and enterprise-grade guardrails. That's a very different environment than installing tools and skills from open marketplaces. So here's our recommendation. If you're curious about agent-style AI that can take action for you, wait. Let the secure integrated version come to market. Evaluate it inside a platform with mature infrastructure and oversight. We're not anti-AI at Dream Support. We teach automation, elimination, delegation, the AED framework. We believe automation is powerful, but powerful tools require wisdom. Most leaders do not need the newest toy. They need clarity systems and protection of what matters most. AI can execute workflows, but it cannot read the room. It cannot protect relationships. It cannot prioritize mission over noise. That is where human partnerships still wins. The future's not AI versus executive assistant. It is AI plus executive assistant implemented wisely with the right guardrails. And when the secure version arrives, we'll help you evaluate it responsibly. So if you want some of those guardrails, comment below and I'll make sure and send you a PDF with just some simple AI guardrails. God bless.